This is item number 10366 with M&M Equipment Corp. This is a 2018 Hollymatic 3000 mixer grinder. It's an all stainless steel construction, including the barrel, auger, and the ring. It's a 52 grind head. It's equipped with a Gemini side port. And also a 10 horsepower grind motor and a 1.5 horsepower mix motor. It has a 300-pound capacity hopper. And it's all ran off of 220 volts, 3-phase. Here we'll start it up, give you a demonstration. First with the mix. It's on 10-second increments. Rotates the other way after 10 seconds. And then you also have the speed that controls the mix arm. Then we have mix and mince. Safety. Shuts off as soon as you open the lid. Again, this is item number 10366 with M&M Equipment Corp.